Fisherman soup is a clean but filling soup with chunky tomatoes, bright zippy lemon, and fresh herbs straight from the garden. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we are making a fisherman stew. And this was a special request from my sister-in-law, Ju, who, by the way, is an amazing cook herself. I made this soup a couple of weeks ago when she and my brother-in-law, Jim, were visiting, and you know the drill. Yep, go ahead, take a look at the ingredients, get them all together. And Ju was like, oh my God, this soup is so good. I love it. I could eat this all day. And I was like, well, okay. And she was like, you gotta make a video. I'm like, okay, so here we are. And I gotta tell you, there's something about the freshness of the basil and the lemoniness of this soup with the fish and the spinach. It's addictive. It really is. And it's so light and clean and easy to make. So let's head back to the stove over here. I've got a bit of olive oil heating over medium heat, and we're going to toss in our chopped onions and cook them until they're caramelized. Then add the garlic and cook them until they're soft. Stir in the frozen chopped spinach. Let the flavors get to know each other while they cook for about 5 minutes. Sprinkle in a little salt. Then add the chopped fresh tomatoes, two cans of diced tomatoes, fire roasted if you can find them, and vegetable broth. Give this another twirl around the pot, cover lightly, and bring it up to a simmer. Our soup's been cooking for about 10 minutes and just at the simmer point, nice and gentle. So now we're ready to add our halibut. Go ahead and put this guy in there. Give it another little stir. And this is a Parmesan rind. It's got lots of flavor. If you don't have a Parmesan rind, then you can just use like a half cup to 2/3 cup of grated Parmesan, and it still can give you all that wonderful flavor. And we'll use the juice of a lemon. Get this in there. And some fresh herbs. I like to use thyme because it just has a really nice, fresh, herbal flavor. And I'm just putting the whole stalks in. That way, when we're ready to pull them out, we can just pull them out all together. And they've given their flavor, and there we go. I'm using some halibut I caught last year in Alaska on a little fishing trip Jerry and I did with the Cirrus Flight Academy. Awesome people and amazing flight instructors, especially our friend and also instructor, Helen. I'll put a link so you can check them out. With this soup, you can use any kind of firm white fish like cod, sea bass, orange roughy, any of those work great. And we're gonna taste this guy. Of course, it's hot. That is really nice. It needs a little bit more salt, and we'll add a pop of color with a bit of fresh basil and a final squirt of lemon. Fisherman soup is perfect for after the holidays when you want something filling but also light and clean. If you want to make a recipe request, go ahead and give a shout out of what you'd like to see me make down in the comment section. And if you want to print this out, head over to lakesidetable.com, print it out, and then come on back for some more videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Super lemony. This is nice. Bye, guys.